Good evening and welcome, my dear viewers. Today, audio tapes have come out in the public domain which show allegedly that the Mumbai police went to the house of a person in whose house a ratings meter, a bark meter, what is called a barometer, which is a small machine about this big, was installed. This happened about 4 or 5 days back. The police went there at a peculiar time. They went there at 3:30 in the morning. Then 12 policemen surrounded this person's house, showed the person a piece of paper which was a prepared statement, told the person, what do you watch? The person said, I hardly watch news channels. The person said, hold it. The person said that I watch a channel called News Nation. The policeman told him, rubbish. You watch Republic Bharat. The person said, I don't watch Republic Bharat. They said, you watch Republic Bharat. And here is a piece of paper where you will write that Republic Bharat paid you 500 rupees a month to watch the channel. Now this person is completely frightened. He calls his friend and details everything. Everything is recorded on a tape. Voice verification can be done. Implications. Remember, viewers, all of this is on tape, and as you listen to me tonight, remember one thing. Parambir lied about Republic. This is not a TRP scam, it's a Parambir scam. Everything is on tape, it cannot be denied. The lawyer has confirmed it. In case you want to read this story, viewers, Op India is the website. Please read it. Op India has put everything out. In fact, I was told by Op India, they have also put out the whole tape on YouTube. So you should see it. More importantly, this tape has now been given to the Central Bureau of Investigation, which becomes a very serious matter. What this means is that the Mumbai police has carried out 3 unforgivable crimes, which when this matter, and not if, when this matter goes to a court of law, the court will not spare them. There will be a separate investigation on this. Parambir is now guilty of witness manipulation, Parambir is guilty of witness coercion, and Parambir, a blot on the uniform, is also accused of witness intimidation. Now, along with Parambir, there is another person working with him, looking at the investigation. They should take responsibility. I don't know, some encounter cop who is put in charge of the investigation. Now, this is a very grave crime by a desperado called Parambir, who in his mad, crazy attempt to fix Republic has lost the sense of balance that is needed for anyone to sit in public office. He has gone mad. And I demand today that this man should be seriously interrogated and summoned by the CBI. I demand that the central and state governments immediately act to take action on him, or, and the alternative is, or Uddhav Thackeray, Sharad Pawar and Antonia Maino take all the responsibility for his actions. They must immediately close the false cases against Republic, hereby legally proven that they are false cases because they are based on a sickening intimidation of witnesses. This is a Chicago-style mafia working in Mumbai, viewers. And I demand the public sacking of Parambir and the team of people associated with him in this falsehood, as an acknowledgement that the rule of law in India is not dead, as an acknowledgement that the due process of law cannot be buried, and that this brazen, stinking, and dirty and scurrilous attempt to attack the largest media organization in the country by faking witnesses will not be regarded as a matter that is the battle of the Republic Network alone. It's a national battle. It's a national outcry. I demand national justice.